Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make ELEVONS for your flying wing model using FS-I6S transmitter. The problem with this transmitter is it have no presets for airplanes, so you can't make ELEVONS that easy. First of all, make sure you have the latest firmware, so you have 4 mixes, because previous firmware have only one mix. So we go to the mixes. Mix 1 is on, master is channel 2, slave is channel 1, offset 0%, negative and positive are 100%. Then let's go to the mix number 2, master is channel 1, slave is channel 2, offset is 0%, negative minus 100 and positive also minus 100%. That's all we need in mixes. Now let's go to the reverse, and now let's reverse channel number 1, and channel number 2 is normal, or you can switch them, it depends. And now let's see how it works. So left is left, right is right, up is up, and down is down. And also you need to plug your left server to the first channel and your right server to the second channel. So that's all for this tutorial. Press the like button and thank you for watching.